Hey friends, I'm your host Saurav from Technuter Review. Today I come with OnePlus 6. We'll do the unboxing video of this smartphone and we will check what inside this box. So first I want to tell you more about this smartphone. OnePlus 6 smartphone was launched in May 2018. The phone comes with a 6.2-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixel by 2280 pixel. OnePlus 6 price in India starts from rupees 34,999. This smartphone is powered by 2.8 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with 8 GB of RAM. The phone packs 128 GB of internal storage and there is no any scope for the expandable to expand this device. Apart from it, back camera of this smartphones come with 16 megapixel and the front camera is also 16 megapixel. This device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo and it is powered by 3300 mAh non-removable battery. So friend, this is all about the specification of OnePlus 6. Now we quickly go to check what inside this box. So first I'm going to just cut this cover on the top from here. Backside here you can see that the color of this OnePlus 6 is mirror black 128 GB and it is Qualcomm Snapdragon. So now we just opening this box from here. Now on the top here you can see OnePlus 6. So friend, this is OnePlus 6. Here you can see this is OnePlus 6. The back camera of this smartphone comes with dual lens. Here you can see this is fingerprint sensor area. This is OnePlus branding here. Okay, now we'll put it here, and inside the box here here you will see here this is dash charger. It is charging cord. Apart from it, in this box you can see here this device back cover. This is SIM ejector tool and these are some user manuals, stickers and safety information. So now we'll talk about the design of this smartphone. So on the right hand side here you will see priority button. This is power button. Left hand side this is volume rocker key and this is the SIM tray area. And bottom side of this smartphone, this is a speaker. This is type C USB port and 3.5 mm audio jack. Now we will check the SIM slots of this smartphone, that how many SIM slots in this smartphone. So here you can see two SIM slots are here, 1 and 2. There is no any micro SD card slot or to expand the memory in this smartphone. So these are some only two slots. Now we will go quickly to open the device and we will check the display of this device. So friend, here you can see powered by Android, OnePlus logo. So friend, this is the first look of OnePlus 6 display area. Here you can see. So friend, this is my unboxing video of OnePlus 6. Hope you liked this video. So friend, please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel Technuter Review. I will come very soon with a detailed review of this smartphone. For that time, thanks.